all great pieces, you know, that you find yourself laughing and then the next minute you find yourself slightly welling up with emotion. Discovering that in the rehearsal room has been one of the highlights for me.
From highs to lows to laughing out loud to wiping away, you know, a tear. So there's something for everybody.
Hope, love, courage, community.
And then there's this great swell of Welsh hymns and the celebration of song, which is what this show is about, really.
There was a moment on day one when the whole of the W&O male chorus launched into one of those epic Welsh hymns, and it was spine-tinglingly amazing. And I think all of us in the room knew from that moment that we were onto something very special.
I have a dream team of Jeff Lloyd-Roberts and Rebecca Evans playing Mr. Pugh and Miss Price, respectively, and a wonderful cast, and of course the phenomenal chorus of Welsh National Opera, who are the heart and soul of this piece, particularly the basses and tenors, because it features this new male voice choir. It's all been really, really special.
So this production is set very specifically in 1957. Elvis Presley had his first number one in 1957. West Side Story came out in 1957. It was towards the end of the big boom time for coal mining here in Wales. And in a way, it's a great celebration of the stoicism and the brilliance and the work ethic of the men of that period.
It's a mammoth show and it's a brand new main stage production, so we really are inventing this from scratch, which gives a lot of creative freedom, which is really nice. The rehearsal room's been a really fun and positive environment. There's loads of chorus scenes in this show, so it is mammoth, but it's been really, really beautiful to be a part of.
With a new show, you don't know until it's on its feet, so you try and prepare as much as possible with Stevie the conductor and with David the composer and Emma the librettist.
The beauty of doing something by a living composer is that you can actually speak to the composer and you can have discussions.
Email him in the morning, for example, at sort of 10:30 and say, we did this scene yesterday, it didn't quite work, it would be great to have a few extra bars here, have you got any ideas? And then by 11:30 he sent me a new score. Literally, the ink is still wet when we're rehearsing, which is electrifying and exciting. In the opera world, it's not often you get a chance to do that.
I think this story resonates for many reasons. It's part of our history here in Wales. It's about people coming together, which I think at the moment is really important.
This is a very Welsh story, but anybody from any close community, this piece will resonate with you greatly. It is about that care and friendship, and it's about that shared experience of life and love.